Welcome to the Beach Club. It is a very hot and humid night, May 22nd. I was going to go to EPCOT for the concert, but the threat of rain drove me off. I don't feel like getting soaking wet. Instead, we're gonna grab some dinner and enjoy the other amenities. I think the pool's closed due to weather because nobody's in it. So they must have just cleared the pool because there's still cast members walking around, lifeguards. But you would never not see somebody swimming in the pool. Looks like the cast members are all scurrying out of here. So I'm gonna walk over to the lobby over at Yacht Club. Still haven't eaten peaches and cream since they renovated it. I really miss the old counter seating. Angus beef burger, $23. I mean, I tell you, the last time I had a burger here was really good. Reuben, I've not tried here. I've eaten the chili. Things obviously changed. It's been a few years ago. Portraits with marble. Maybe I'll play a little basketball. Disney photo booth. I have played this Space Invaders game and I found it highly entertaining. Space Invaders was the very first video game I remember playing. It was for the Commodore 64. Ship shape. So we stay in ship shape right here. So, yeah, definitely weather has emptied the pool. It's unfortunate for the guests because it is a great night to be in the water. Let's see, maybe I made the right decision not going to EPCOT. Wanted to eat some food from the festival. I tried to get a reservation for the Yachtsman. Maybe I could ask for a walk-up. I don't know if I want to spend that kind of money tonight. Love the Cruise Cup. Might go grab a drink in there. There's the restaurant here at Yacht Club. It's not a buffet, and I think it's a great idea that it's not. It gives you a different option. These two large hotels for the Ale and Compass. See here, the lobby here is a little more dim lit. Gives you the feel of being on a boat. I mean, at night there's not going to be much light. There's the beach club's going to be very lit up. Different stairs here, very different. This is one of my favorite lobbies in all of Disney. I grew up on the beach, so. People sitting here in the lounge. Love this lounge. Welcome to EPCOT.
Wow.
I'm here to see Croce plays Croce. It's going to be a different quality video since I don't have my tripod. Long story. Disney did not perform to its maximum efficiency as far as they have a tripod of mine, they know they have it, we found it in the computer, they wouldn't hand it to me. So it's great. If you fill out a claim on that app, you're a slave to that claim then. And that's why I didn't fill out a claim until today. Croce plays Croce. Look at the size of this band.
Well, here's something off the new album. It's called Turned Around. Feels like this. There's a song my father wrote about Alabama. It's called Alabama Ray. This next song is a very personal song. It was something that was written for me as a baby, and what you're going to hear right now is the original demo of this song. It wasn't even completed, so we're going to let my father take a little piece of this. Please, it sounds something like this. If I could save time in a bottle, the first thing that I'd like to do is to save every day till eternity passes away, just to spend them with you. If I could make days last forever, if words could make wishes come true, I'd save every day like a treasure, and then again I would spend them with you. But there never seems to be enough time to do the things you want to do once you find them. Looked around enough to know you're the one I want to go through time with. If I had a box just for wishes and dreams that had never come true, the box would be empty except for the memories of how they were answered by you. But there never seems to be enough time to do the things you want to do once. Looked around enough to know you're the one I wanna go through time with.
That was Croce plays Croce. Very last song was somewhat abbreviated by storage abilities. I guess yeah, I never thought to watch Luminous from the balcony of Japan. There's a lot to see in the back area here of Japan, actually. choice. I don't always feel like leaving is the best choice. I want to stay, do something else. I should have ridden Remy. I think it was a short wait. I might have to check it actually. We often check out World Traveler. That's new. The Dragon. Very nice. The Dragon. $36.99. Genie, probably the same price. Really cool. I've made some long videos just shopping here at World Travel. Really need to get over into Creations, the former Mouse Gear. Do a big video over there. I don't know that I will. I think it's just getting too darn hot. Did a lot of videos last summer in the heat when I was a pass holder, so I had more of an incentive to come up and use what I was paying for as opposed to just perks for being a cast member. Same thing with my constant use of the water parks last summer. It's probably what we're going to get into again. I don't know what's going, I need to find a place to live really soon. Mid-July, my lease runs out, so I need July 1st, and we're almost at June. It's May 23rd, so I need to do something. Stat. And then that stinks is, shopping for a place, meeting people, that all takes time. Anybody who's moved knows it. Need a line to the Skyliner. Warm night. We're over at Boardwalk. Might go to Raglan Road. Lots of people to watch the fireworks here from the bridge. It's really not that great of a view. They don't pump the sound over here. These guys in the Surrey bike, until they hit this hill, they had the pedal to the metal. They were flying down the sidewalk. It's got to be a lot of fun at night. Me and my friends are gonna have to rent one. We could do a bar crawl on the Surrey. The Crescent Lake bar crawl. I mean, it's an unofficial thing. You talk about the monorail bar crawl. Well, you've got the Crescent Lake. You've got, if you want to talk about right now, for example, when dance hall is open, even if it's not, let's just say you start here at Boardwalk. There's Bellevue Lounge and or Joe's Margarita Stand. You want to consider the dance hall, fine. You could walk across to Swan Reserve. There's a bar there. The Dolphin has an amazing lobby bar. I think I'm going to go actually there right now. Which means I took the wrong way. Maybe I'll go another time. Swan, of course. So you've got lobby bars in all the resorts. Aon Compass has a lounge for Yacht Club. The Beach Club, their lobby bar would be considered Martha's Vineyard. So, I mean, you've got, every hotel here has a lobby bar, and Boardwalk is like double time because you've got, or triple even. Because you have Bellevue Lounge, Joe's Margarita Stand, and the dance hall. And honestly, if you're going to do a bar hop here, you'd have to include Hurricane Hannah's. So you've got Alan Compass Lounge, Martha's Vineyard, and Hurricane Hannah. So that's 3 stops at the Yacht and Beach Club, 3 stops at the boardwalk. And I continue to just admire this lobby. I'd like to know what other people feel about it, not from like a shore area, but I could sit here for, and I have, for hours, just kind of reminiscing about home. Really felt like the humidity came overnight. Looks like we will get a little break from the heat for a couple days, but that's obviously going to be the exception, not the norm. For the next 3 months, 4 months. Even I commented tonight, it did cool off. The breeze came through, so a cold front came through, but it didn't rain. Now it seems to be hot and humid again. It's Florida. So, pretty nostalgic performance by AJ Croce. Croce playing Croce. Glad I saw it. Glad we sampled that very good canard duck from the France Pavilion. And very likely what will be my last visit here to Flower and Garden, as that seems to be winding up in a few days. I am working tomorrow at Magic Kingdom until about 9 o'clock. And then spending a few days here in Orlando while working as well. Worked today. And we'll return back to Tampa tomorrow after my shift. And hopefully get some really good rest. No matter how comfortable a hotel bed is, that's not your bed. It's not your bedroom. And all the amenities that you're just used to having at home. But one more day up here in Tampa. We're gonna go stay up near Universal tonight. Work tomorrow at 2. Might go to Cece's Pizza for lunch tomorrow. And then it's gonna be 4